So hello there. So I was opening some mini bars and I got Pringles. Ignore the voice in the background. And then Sishu, Pasu, whatever the heck this is. Please comment what it is. And then surprisingly, in the fourth one, I got mini cash. Didn't know this was a thing. Tell me when this was new. Cause I don't know when it was new. I wasn't like.
This is why I did not want to get those for you. Pick them all up.
I know the voice. I'm in a busy room right now. And then got this. It's something I really don't understand. Tell me what this is. It says bomber. Who would want a bomb burrito? Unless you want a bomb burrito to explode your mouth, you could buy that. Don't really recommend. Is that all? Is that really all?
We are so glad you're here at
Poison.
Christian Institute, and we pray that the Lord continues to bless you as you pursue your studies here. Be sure to tune in to the next videos below on the program.
Oh no, there's one missing. Oh wait. Useless buddy right here. I don't really care for it. That one right. Oh my gosh. It's clean, like some kind of cleaning stuff. Anyways, bye.